not pulling out or committing anything. There, we're getting a little bit of pressure. I'll go ahead and... FSD was a little nervous about her turning right. Didn't see any turn signal on, and was deferring, and the yellow, the light turned yellow while we were underneath it. So I went ahead and just touched the accelerator to give her permission to pull out with that car. And I think FSD would have gone, but the car behind me, it was just a tighter situation. So with hardware 3, occasionally, and even with hardware 4 right now, because the speed doesn't always go up to what you want it to on some speed changes, that a press on the accelerator is required, I would say. Probably not required. Hardware 4 will drive across the country without doing anything, but there may be some situations where you would want to touch the accelerator. Too many syllables, I'll just call it the go pedal, because it's certainly not the gas pedal. Well, the traffic on Pena looks a little light today. That's pretty good. Oftentimes it's a little heavier than this. So, a big rear end kiss from somebody that crushed his bumper in. This is what makes me the most nervous with following distance. I always have a good following distance just out of habit, but not everybody does, and I really don't want to get rear-ended by somebody because they're not watching. I see so many times on that Wham Bam Tesla Cam channel of people that against the law and just irresponsibly take a 5,000-pound vehicle and hurl it down the highway with no consideration for paying for others if you hurt their car or hurt their bodies. This is despicable, in my opinion. Get off my lawn. What the heck. So we're going up Pena Boulevard here, which looks like traffic's increasing a little bit as more cars come in. We're doing 66 and a 65. We're heading towards the United Airlines exit on the departures ramp on the west side of Denver International Airport. And we're doing it in a hardware 3 car with FSD version 12.6.4. And this is practical FSD, where I'm trying to see if hardware 3 will work as well as hardware 4, or suitably doesn't work as well as hardware 4, because hardware 4 has much more capability. It's just a larger model on a more powerful hardware. But hardware 3, is it practical to use this? Is it worthwhile to buy FSD with a hardware 3 car right now? And I would say, having done that, yes, it's it was my intro into FSD, and we've put thousands of miles on it before I was able to get a car with hardware 4. So, as of right now, with the current state of hardware 4 and hardware 3, if you have the means, I would get hardware 4, but I would offer that it's not necessary to experience full self-driving in a useful way, especially if you have any disabilities that require that. I'm getting a little bit of slowdown here now. Could have been for speed limits, I don't know, but as we were crossing over there, both this car adjacent to me and our car was slowing down a little bit from 65 to about 60. Check the max speed. Yeah, we need to do 70, but we can have it at 65, so we can go faster than 60 if needed. I was getting just mild deceleration there. But the speed limit's changing to 55 also, so that's probably what that was. There's Blucifer off to the left. I'd like to point him out as we go by because he's so distinctively. Oh, now it's interesting. We're getting in the right-hand side because I think I sent Terminal East or Terminal West, but maybe this is pinned to the east or the east side. Either way, I need to get videos on both sides, so it doesn't really matter. Here goes a Model 3 Uber making their way towards there. It's Model Y. Looks like it's Model Y. The brain saw Y, and once it's this far away, it's hard for me to tell. Looks like a Y. Yeah, we must be on the east side terminal. I sent them both there. Yeah, you can see the pin that I had stuck on the east. Okay. Well, we'll see how it does. I have been here before in Hardware 3, and it did okay. Huh. Okay, I'll change my tune now because we were in the right. I'll be quiet. Just watch. I thought we were going to the other side, so this will be great. Oh, I'm going to slow down here. Not too harsh a braking, but that was certainly enough to slow down appropriately for the gate that she has us going through. I don't think this is correct. I think this pin is not correct. But the gate opened for us, so, and there was no entrance there, so the gate went up and FSD didn't advance. So I've not gone through a gate before. That's interesting. It didn't advance. It may have, but I was concerned about the gate coming back down on us. There was probably a photo cell there or something that would keep that from happening. But this is the Terminal West arrivals, I believe, isn't it? No, it says drop off and pick up. So departures, I don't know which was up on level 6, but we're letting FSD navigate through here to see how it would do if we were taking us to the airport. It went ahead through these drop-off lanes. Okay. Yeah, that's workable. We could certainly drop off somebody here. And we're waiting for this car. I don't know what he's doing. Okay, FSD's going around now. We're not a limo. Are we in a limo lane? That would explain it. Looking for people. I don't want to help her if I don't need to. Yeah. I think I may be in a limo lane though. I'm not sure. Nobody's hollering at me. You can't turn out of here. Don't worry about turning that way. Just keep going. Nope, keep going. I really don't want to pull over here. We'll go ahead and let her go out. There we go. FSD stopped for this person that went ahead and moved. It's the car. The passenger noticed that I wasn't driving, smiled back. Let's see where FSD goes there. We got a lead car, that may help her out. No, don't turn down that way. Let's go this way. This is the out. So I think that's what the difference is. With Hardware 4 would seem a little more intelligent going through all of that. Hardware 3 felt like she didn't quite know what to do. It was certainly workable. Like I said, it's practical. She brought me here with no intervention at all. I felt perfectly comfortable on the highway. She took us to departures on the west terminal, and I could have certainly picked up somebody or dropped off anybody using Hardware 3. So I called that a pass, but I did have to intervene a little bit down there from just indecision on Hardware